We are the Arcturians. We are here to bring in information or guidance for you at this time, whenever this transmission meets you. As we usually begin with saying how grateful we are for you, we want you to hear it on a different level this time. Because we've noticed that for many of you, it is hard to see your glimmering sparkle of life force energy, your amazing frequency, your amazingness in general. So when someone showers you with love or gratitude for even just being here in this moment, it could be challenging to believe it, challenging to see what others are seeing in yourself, that you can easily see in others. So what we are here to activate is for you to see your true nature by us even speaking to you with that intention. And even if you do see yourself in a very positive light, there is still so much more to see and reveal and come back home to. From our perspective, and from your team's and from the universal perspective, you are just as beautiful and as important as every star you see from Earth, every aspect of nature that is glorious, perfect, and whole. We say this to help remind you to activate within you your soul's inner knowing, so that you can feel more at home in your body, more at home within yourself, within your psyche. It is part of the ascension, it is part of the healing journey to continue to come home into new levels of your own brilliance. But we say this so that you can open up your heart, even ever so slightly, to allowing more love in, and thus allowing yourself to tap into more of that love, more of that acknowledgement through the awareness, through a higher state of consciousness. Because what you are doing within this lifetime is beyond anything you have ever done before. And what we mean is that you are all in your own unique and beautiful way cultivating higher levels of consciousness and healing than ever before. Coming in and experiencing such deep contrast, yet your soul's vibration will always yearn and keep guiding you towards your inner light, your inner knowing of more, the inner knowing of the truth. And the truth being that there is so much unity, that even with every insecurity, every part of yourself that you feel is not good enough or needs to improve in some way, that the universe, source energy, God, whatever you wish to call it, does not see any of that. But that again is part of what you have signed up for. To find more harmony, to remember, to activate deeper into your starseed energy, whether it's us Arcturians or the Palladians or whoever within the galactic field you feel most at home with or are learning to remember. That is also something, again, that you have never done before. Being a human and remembering and accessing all of your soul aspects, and being able to shift and navigate multiple dimensions through your 3D physicality. So again, we congratulate you. Exactly where you are, exactly who you are. Because again, you are doing what has not been done before. So as you progress throughout your day, your week, your month, your year, remind yourself from time to time, if you can, or come back to this channeling or go deep within meditation to help remind yourself of who you are, of what you're doing, of what you already have done, because you all have accomplished so much. You have overcome and been so resilient. And we are forever grateful for you. Thank you for understanding that this enlightenment, this path of ascension is an ongoing process. That the collective is ascending, but there are challenging aspects and structures that need to be brought into the light. That they need to crumble, they need to be dismantled. Just as you do within your internal self, your mindset, your emotions, your physical actions. We recommend that if you are struggling with staying in a space of hope and faith about the collective ascension or collective unity, that you set an intention each day of what you can do to connect with more harmony, or an intention for you to feel more at peace. The intention can be whatever you wish, but it gives you a goal to connect with. And thus that intention will ripple out into the collective, into your earth, into your fellow man. We love you and are so grateful for everything you are doing again. We are the Arcturians. Until we speak again.